Go to page 5 in your notes packet and look at example 1 from 9.2. All we have to do for A, B, and C is draw an angle with the given measure in standard position. So we should know that looking at angles, we know that this would be 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180, 270, and then all the way back would be 360. This can be our guide, and if we were going negative, so positive goes this way, if we were making negative angles, it would go the opposite way. So negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, etc. Okay? So that would be just going in the other direction. So if I want to draw the angle 240, I would figure out that 240 is between 180 and 270. So my angle would be somewhere in here, and it would be going this way in the positive direction. Okay, so you can draw a little arrow to show that. If I was drawing 500 degrees, that would be one full circle, which is 360, plus an extra 140 degrees, which is between 90 and 180. So I would draw that here. And when I show where the angle went, it's going to go one full circle and back around to be 500. And then for negative 50, I know that's between 0 and negative 90, so I can just draw a line in this quadrant, and it's going down, and that would show negative 50 degrees. Looking at example 2, we want to find angles that are coterminal to each other. What this means is that if we take an angle and add 360, it's in the same spot, but it's an extra rotation. So, for example, they're saying here that the angle 500 that we drew above is the same as 140. They're coterminal because if I draw them, they look the same. So for part A, all we have to do is find one positive angle and one negative angle. So we're going to add 360 to negative 45 to get our positive angle, and then we will subtract 360 to get another coterminal angle that's negative. So go ahead and calculate those values, and what are we going to get for the first one? Yeah, we should get 315 degrees, and then negative 405 degrees. And if you wanted to draw that, negative 45 degrees would be in this quadrant, and all of these angles would be drawn in that quadrant. For part B, we're going to do the same thing, except 395 is bigger than 360, so I can subtract 360 degrees and get my positive angle, and then I can subtract 360 twice to get my negative angle. There's different ways that you can do this, and there's many different answers, but this is what we would get for my positive, and we would get negative 325 for the negative. If you wanted to draw this angle, it would be in the first quadrant because it goes all the way around once and then is 45 degrees over 360.